Traditional 360 cameras are relatively expensive, but what if you had those same features in a smartphone? For only $49.99, the PanelClip 360 turns your phone into a full 360-degree camera. After downloading the free app, attach PanelClip to your phone, which instantly aligns its super wide-angle lenses with the phone's front and rear cameras. The app includes things you would expect in a camera software, such as filters, stickers, and the ability to reframe shots for the perfect angle. It's also worth noting there are gyro and VR modes included as well. Naturally, it's really easy saving photos to your album or publishing directly to your social media accounts. Although it doesn't play video, it makes up for it by including 9 different animation modes to give your photos a more dynamic feel and showcase the entire image. PanelClip 360 is currently available for iPhone models 6 through 10, with an Android version currently on the way. One small downside: the device will not fit on phone cases over 0.8 millimeters, which is unfortunately a lot smaller than most strong protective cases. Overall, for the price alone, there isn't much to complain about with PanelClip 360. I definitely recommend getting your hands on one of these.
Cool gadget. The PanelClip just hit the market and is the first of its kind. The camera app also provides access to an entire community of 360 video creators. For more gadget videos, visit tech.calebkinchlow.com.